Good morning, class. Yesterday we have finished exercise A. Underline the preposition in these sentences. Today we are going to start with exercise B. Look at the pictures and choose the correct prepositions from the brackets. I already told you that whenever you start with any new exercise, read the heading twice. At least 2 times you should read the heading carefully and understand what they are asking you to do. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures given here and choose the correct prepositions from the brackets. Brackets are given here. 2 options are given in the bracket. We have to select the correct one and write it in the given blank. Please don't only underline or put a tick mark. If a blank is given, always write the answer in the given blank. जब blank दी हुई है तो उसमें correct answer लिखो. Right? Don't be lazy and just only underline or put a tick mark. ठीक है, आपको आंसर अगर ये सही है तो ये blank में लिखना है, ये सही है तो ये लिखना है. Clear? Let us see. Let us begin. Rohan is sleeping blank his bed. Now, if we look at the picture, it seems that Rohan is sleeping on his bed. He is sleeping on the surface of the bed. So we write here Rohan is sleeping on his bed. Number 2, the clock is blank the wall. The clock is blank the wall. Imagine the white surface is the wall, right? And the clock is on the wall. Correct? It is on the surface of the wall. So the clock is on the wall. Write on in the blank. Next, number 3. The cat is sitting blank the kittens. Kittens means the babies of the cat. The small cats are called kittens. These smaller ones are the kittens. And the cat is sitting between the kittens, right? It is between the kittens. Between means in the middle, and there are one on both the sides. When there are one on both the sides and we are in the center, in the middle, we use between. जब दोनों साइड में एक एक किटन है और हम उसके बीच में बैठे हैं, so we use there between. The cat is sitting between the kittens. Right? Okay. Coming to the next one. Please remember to write the answer in the blank. Okay? I won't say it for every question. You need to remember it. The boy is playing blank a bat. You can see here the boy is playing blank a bat, with a bat or in front of the bat. Now see, the bat is in its hand, right? So he is playing cricket. He is playing cricket with a bat. Correct? Not in front of the bat. In front means when something is in front of you, right? जब कोई चीज़ आपके आगे हो तब हम बोलते हैं in front, सामने. करेक्ट? बट यहाँ पे जो बैट है वो लड़के के सामने नहीं है, उसके हाथ में है, तो वो उससे खेल रहा है, राइट? ही इज़ प्लेइंग विथ द बैट. With is used when you are using something to play or to do the action. Here the action of playing is done with the help of the bat, with the use of the bat. So the correct answer is with. The boy is playing with a bat. Coming to next question. Jeet is sitting blank the television. As you can see here, Jeet is sitting in front of the television. Television is in front of him. He is here and the television is in front. Means exactly on his face, right? Which is सामने, है ना? Exactly उसके सामने है, उसके चेहरे के exact सामने, right? So we have to write that Jeet is sitting in front of the television. We cannot write here over because he is not over the television, right? He is in front, सामने है. The teacher is standing blank the board. Near the board or on the board. On the board का मतलब है board के ऊपर. On is used when we are on the surface of something. Here the teacher is not standing on the board but she is standing near the board, right? The teacher is standing near the board. Near मतलब पास में, close. Number 7. The water bottle is blank the table. The water bottle is blank the table. Look at the picture given here. It is under the table. Under means down, right? So the water bottle is under the table. Mohan is hiding blank the tree. Behind the tree or on the tree. On the tree means here. And behind the tree means at the back of the tree. As you can see in the picture, the boy is hiding behind the tree, right? He is at the back of the tree. Behind matlab पीछे. The books are blank the table. As you can see in the picture, the books are on the surface of the table. The books are on the surface of the table, right? It is not inside the drawer or inside the table. There is no inside space or boundaries inside which you can keep the book, right? It is the flat surface, straight, correct? So we have to write the books are on the table. Now if we keep the books in the drawer, we would say the books are in the drawer. Drawer means जो टेबल के साथ नीचे ड्रॉवर ये होता है कि बॉक्स जैसा होता है, राइट? जिसे आप खींच के अंदर बुक्स या कोई भी चीज़ें रखते हो, उसको ड्रॉवर्स बोलते हैं. आपके घर पे भी होगा तो उसमें क्या होगा, बॉक्स जैसा होगा, उसके अंदर हम रखेंगे, करेक्ट? अंदर जगह होगी रखने की. दैट्स व्हाई वी से the books are in the drawer because it has an inside boundary space where you can keep it. पर जब आप कोई चीज़ फ्लैट सरफेस जैसे कि टेबल आप देख रहे हो पिक्चर में, फ्लैट सरफेस पे रखते हो तब आप ऑन लिखोगे. द बुक्स आर ऑन द टेबल. नेक्स्ट, आई गेव द पेन फ्रॉम माया और टू माया. Now, when you are taking something from someone, you say, I got this pen from Maya. Right? अगर मैं आपसे, मान लो आपका नाम माया है और मैं आपसे कुछ ले रही हूँ तो मैं क्या कहूँगी? I got the pen from Maya. मुझे ये पेन माया से मिली है. Right? I got it from her. I got it from her. मुझे ये पेन माया से मिली है. पर अगर वही पेन मैं आपको देती हूँ, आप मुझसे मांग रहे हो और मैं आपको दे रही हूँ, तो मैं क्या कहूँगी? आई गेव द पेन टू माया. राइट, आई गेव द पेन टू माया. जब हम किसी को दे रहे हैं तब हम टू यूज़ करते हैं. आई गेव द पेन टू माया. और अगर मैं ले रही हूँ तो मैं कहूँगी आई गॉट दिस पेन फ्रॉम माया. मुझे माया से मिली है. आई होप दिस इज़ क्लियर टू यू. Coming to the next exercise, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions from the box. In this box, the options are given to you. We have to select the correct one. Suitable मतलब जो suit करता है, जो सही लगता है, वो preposition select करके हमें box में से लेकर blanks में लिखना है. Right? First, let us read out the options given in the box. Of, on, after, in, with, under, for, to. Number 1, I go to school blank my sister. I go to school with my sister. मैं स्कूल अपनी दीदी के साथ जाता हूँ. With is used when you go with someone, when you have a partner with you, we use with. And with is also used when we are using something for doing an action. I go to school with my sister. मैं अपनी बहन के साथ स्कूल जाती हूँ. Number 2, they are talking in the class. They are talking in the class. क्लास के अंदर बातें कर रहे हैं. Right? They are talking in the class. The table is made of wood. Of wood. The table is made of wood. जब कोई चीज़ किसी चीज़ से बनी हो तब हम बोलते हैं द टेबल इज़ मेड ऑफ वुड. ये जो टेबल है वो किस चीज़ से बनी है? वुड से. इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ वुड. ऑफ इज़ यूज्ड टू शो द मटीरियल और द थिंग विथ विच इट इज़ मेड अप. टेबल इज़ मेड विद द मटीरियल ऑफ वुड. राइट. इट इज़ रेनिंग. कम under my umbrella. Now I am offering an umbrella to my friend. I would say, it is raining, come under my umbrella. मेरे umbrella के नीचे आ जाओ. Under it. Under मतलब नीचे. The book is on the table. On. The book is on the table. Number 6. Morning comes after night. सुबह कब होती है? रात के बाद. After night. So morning comes after night. After मतलब बाद में. My father has brought a gift for me. My father has brought a gift for me. For मतलब किसके लिए लाए हैं? मेरे लिए. My father has brought a gift for me. Number 8, they are talking to the teacher. किससे बात कर रहे हैं? Teacher से. They are talking to the teacher. These are the 2 exercises that you have to do in your textbook. And the next exercise is underline the prepositions in the paragraph. This is also your homework. A short paragraph is given here. You have to read this and underline the preposition. जो भी prepositions है इसमें वो आपको underline करने हैं. Clear? तो आज का आपका homework है exercise B, C and D. I repeat, आपका homework है exercise B, C and D. Please finish it and send me the pictures.